What if I told you that the best speakers aren't born? What if the difference between someone who freezes during presentation and someone who commands a room isn't talent, but a simple system? A few years ago, I used to avoid speaking in meetings. I would avoid presentations. Even introducing myself in front of a group felt uncomfortable. But today, I am going to share three simple public speaking hacks that help me and can help you speak with confidence, even if you are naturally shy. And the second technique takes less than 4 minutes and used by Navy SEALs. Let's get into it. Section 1. The biggest myth about public speaking. Most people believe great speakers are born, not made. They think people are naturally charismatic while others simply aren't. But research and real world experience show something different. Confidence created through preparation and technique often beats natural talent when speaking in front of an audience. The truth is, public speaking is not a talent problem, it is a system problem. And once you understand the system, speaking becomes much easier. Today, we will cover how to calm yourself before speaking, how to project confidence instantly, and the mindset shift that reduces stage anxiety. Section 2, we will look at why your brain panics during public speaking. Here is something fascinating. Around 75% of people experience fear when speaking publicly. So, if you are nervous, it is normal. The reason lies in part of your brain called amygdala. Think of it as your brain security guard. Its job to keep you safe. It's constant scanning for threats. And when you stand in front of an audience, your brain start asking questions like, what if they judge me? What if I mess up? What will people think? What if I forgot what to say? What happens if I fail? Suddenly your brain reacts. If you are facing a predator, your heartbeat races, your palms sweat, your mouth becomes dry. But there is important part. Nothing is wrong with you. The reaction is biological. Your brain trying to protect you. The trick isn't eliminating fear. The trick is teaching your brain that audience is not a predator. Section 3, the mindset shift that changes everything. Most people walk on stage and tell themselves, I'm terrified, I'm nervous, I'm going to fail. Instead, use this simple reframe that replaces I'm terrified with I'm ready. That's it. Your body doesn't always know the difference between fear and excitement. Both create energy. The question is, how do you label that energy? Fear makes you shrink, readiness makes you perform. The next time you speak, tell yourself, I'm ready, not I'm scared. Section 4, 4-minute Navy SEAL technique. Now let's talk about the most practical technique in this video, box breathing. This technique can be practiced in washroom, at your desk or anywhere before speaking. Here is how it works. Step 1, inhale for 4 seconds. Step 2, hold for 4 seconds. Step 3, exhale for 4 seconds. And step 4, hold for 4 seconds. Then repeat. That's a one cycle. Try 4 cycles. It will take around 4 minutes. Why does it work? Because it activates your body calming system. It helps you move your body from flight or fight mode to into a calm and focused state. Your heart rate slows down, your focus improves, your thoughts become clearer, your voice becomes steadier. Most people make one huge mistake before speaking. They stop breathing properly, they hold their breath, and their voice starts shaking. Remember this. Control your breath, control your section 5. Confidence is performance. Here is a secret. Most people never realize. People start judging your confidence before you say a single word. They are looking at your posture, your work, your eye contact, your body language. So use these simple confidence hacks. Hack number one, stand strong. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Hack two, pull your shoulders back. Don't collapse inward. Take a space. Hack three, chin up, not arrogant, just confident. Hack 4, maintain eye contact. Hold eye contact for long enough to complete one thought with the one person. Not staring, not avoiding, just connecting. Here is the interesting part. When your audience sees your confidence, your brain start believing you are confident too. Your body influences your mind, not just other way around. Section 6, 30-second rule. This is probably the most useful technique for beginners. Don't memorize the entire speech, only memorize the first 30 seconds because anxiety peaks at the beginning. Once you survive those few movements, your body settles down, your brain relaxes, and you naturally find your flow. Most speakers don't struggle in the middle, they struggle at start. So the master the first 30 seconds. The rest become much easier. Let's quickly recap. Your brain treats public speaking like a threat. That's a normal. Use the mindset shift. I'm ready, not I'm terrified. Use box breathing before speaking. Control your breath. Control your room. Project confidence through postures, eye contact, and body language. And finally, remember only the first 30 seconds. Because once you get started, momentum takes over. I have a challenge for you. Pick up any topic, do 4 cycles of box breathing, stand up with your feet shoulder width apart, lift your chin, speak for 30 seconds, and then come back and comment you did it and how you felt it. Because confidence doesn't come from thinking, confidence comes from action.